Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, Nonku Williams posted this picture of herself with a really long caption, and this caption has got a lot of people talking, so let's get right into it. So she says, as I take a moment to reflect on my journey with the Real Housewives of Durban, I'm compelled to share my truth with you. After much reflection, I've made the difficult decision not to return to the show and to distance myself from the reunion. It's not an easy choice, but it's one I must take. Watching myself on screen, I'm confronted with a reality that's hard to accept. The woman I see isn't someone I recognize or respect. I've played a role in shaping this narrative, but I'm also a product of the show's dynamics. The relentless pursuit of drama, the pitting of women against each other, the gossip and the putting downs. It's a toxic cycle that wears me down. As I look to the future, I'm reminded of my responsibilities to myself, my children, my faith, and the community. I want to make a difference, to leave a positive mark on the world. But this show, with its destructive tendencies, isn't the platform for that. I've come to realize that I have a responsibility to myself to prioritize my well-being, to protect my mental health, and to surround myself with positivity. I have a responsibility to my children to be a good role model, to show them the importance of kindness, empathy, and compassion. I have a responsibility to my faith to uphold the values that are important to me, to be a light in the darkness, and to spread love and kindness. She goes on to say, and I have a responsibility to the community to be a force for good, to uplift and to inspire others, and to make a positive impact. To those who've supported me throughout this journey, I'm grateful. I acknowledge my part in the chaos, but I also recognize the show's role in shaping our narratives. I'm choosing to break free from the cycle, to seek a path that uplifts and inspires. I'm choosing to use my platform to spread love, kindness, and positivity. I'm choosing to be a role model for my children and for others who may be watching. I'm choosing to prioritize my well-being and to take care of myself. I'm choosing to be authentic, to be true to myself, and to live a life that reflects my values. And I close this chapter. I hope my story can serve a testament to the power of self-awareness, courage, and redemption. So guys, that is Nonku. You guys, she did close down her comment section for people to comment, but guys, Nonku has confirmed, I guess, that she will be, or she's left the Real Housewives of Durban franchise, so she won't be coming back for her next season, and as well that she won't be making, or rumor has it that she won't be making it to the reunion. Guys, I can't even remember at this point, the way that was such a long statement. I can't even remember at this point if she mentions it on the statement, but I saw somewhere on the social media streets which she won't be making it for the reunion as well. Now, according to the statements, guys, Nonku is kind of saying ukuthi kahle kahle ne drama that we've been saying ukuthi Nonku uza ne drama back week after week. She's kind of saying ukuthi, listen guys, hayi ukuthi ngiyatanda. They take that out of me because there's a narrative that I have on the show and I have to continue with it for views. And Ugal is saying, listen, this is harming me because I don't want to be that person. She's kind of saying, I want to start practicing what I preach. And you know what, guys, kudos to her. We enjoy reality TV shows, guys, but the toxicity that comes with it, guys, when you have a narrative, now there's pressure, you have to uphold that narrative. Now, some people are also questioning, why wouldn't Nonku possibly not even come to the reunion, you guys? Some people are like, it sounds so good to be true. Other people even speculating, could it be that she's no longer friends with Jojo and she doesn't want to face the music? But something must have happened for her not to want to even come to the reunion. Guys, we've been saying this as the audience. We need these cast members to sign NDAs, because they can't want to come and cause commotions on when the episodes play. And then now, when we really want to hear them take accountability or hear or elaborate on what they actually meant, they are nowhere to be found. Nonku is not the type of person, guys, to run away from reunions. Even though on the show it is said that she does run away, but I don't think she really, she forgets. she forgets, but I don't think she's afraid as per se to face the music. So I'm really wondering, what could it be, or what is it that would make her not even want to come to the reunion? Anyway, let's pause it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.